Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So in the last video, we saw how to give the style properties to a text, and our output was like this, and this was our output. So now in this video, we want that our background, that is our whole website background, will be this color. Okay. So for that, what we can do, we can simply write here background color is orange inside this body. So let's see if it works fine or not, because we want the whole body color as orange. So we have right here background color is orange. So save it and refresh it here. So no changes, and you can see we have write this background color is orange and this is printed as it is. So we cannot write this here. So what we can do, we have to write a style tag here. So for that, write here style, and inside this style write here body. Okay, and inside this body we want background color as orange. So inside this, write background color is orange, and you don't have to write this style property here in this h1. So you can write this inside this style tag. So for that, write here h1 and then copy this and paste it here. Okay, so let's remove this, and now our code looks like clean. So let's save it by pressing Ctrl+S and then refresh here, and you can see the background has changed, and you can see the background color has changed. Okay, suppose we want more properties here. Suppose we want a border here. So right here border is 2 pixel solid red, and then save it and then refresh this, and you can see there is a border with red color. Okay, so this is it for now. We'll learn something new in the next video. Till then, take care.